Today, I'll walk you through how to use walking directions in Google Maps, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to navigate your way from point A to point B on foot, so you can explore your surroundings with confidence. First, let's get started by opening your web browser and navigating to Google. You can do this by typing Google into your address bar and hitting enter. This is your gateway to accessing all the features Google has to offer. Once you're on the Google homepage, look for the grid icon, often referred to as the Apps icon, located in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on it. This will reveal a menu of Google applications, including Google Maps. Now click on the Maps option from this menu. This will take you directly to Google Maps, where you'll be able to find directions and explore different locations. On the Google Maps page, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click on it to begin your journey. This is where you'll input your starting point and destination. Next, hover over the directions icon, which looks like a blue arrow pointing to the right, and click on it. This will prompt you to enter your starting location, which is often referred to as point A. Now enter the location of your starting point in the search bar. For example, you might type in your current address or a landmark nearby. Once you've done that, it's time to enter your destination. Or point B, simply type in the name or address of where you want to go, such as a local store or park. After entering your destination, you'll see a variety of route options. Now look for the walking person icon, which represents walking directions, and click on it. This will display the best walking routes available, along with estimated travel times. And there you have it, you now know how to use walking directions in Google Maps. Remember, don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Google often updates its interface, but the core functions remain the same. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.